Jai Hind students, I am Shashi Kumar Seth. Today I am going to start fraction part 2. Clear students? Look at here. Find the difference. Clear? 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Look at here. Student, look at here. 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Here 5 and 2 numerator and 7 is a denominator. You can see here both denominator are same. Clear? That's why you will subtract only numerator. Take LCM 7. 5 minus 2. Clear? 5 subtracted from 2 we get 3. 3 upon 7. Clear? This is your answer. Our second question, 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Clear? Here you can see 6 and 4 both are a different denominator. That's why we have to make them equal denominator. Clear? And first of all thing, we take the LCM 6 and 4. Clear? LCM 6 and 4 is equal to 12. And 6 divided by 12 we get 2 and 2 multiply by 5. 5 to the 10. Clear? Minus 4 divided by 12 we get 3 and 3 multiply by 3 we get 9. Clear? And 10 subtracted from 9 we get 1. 1 by 12. Clear? And this is your answer. Our third question, 2 into 5 by 9 minus 1 into 7 by 15. Firstly convert, this is an improper fraction, that's why firstly you will convert improper. Clear? Nine to the 18, 18 plus 5, 23 upon 9. Minus 15 plus 7, 22. Clear? And what is the LCM 9 and 50? Just like a 45. 45. And 9 divided by 5 we get 9 divided by 45 we get 5 and 5 multiply by this number. Clear? 23 multiplied by 5 we get 115. And 15 divided by 45 we get 3 and 3 multiplied by 22, that means 66. Clear? And 115 subtracted from 66 we get 49. 49 upon 45. Convert mixed fraction. 45 1 and this is 4. Clear? After dividing you will write. Clear? Now I am going to start next questions. Students, see these questions. A rectangular sheet of a paper is 15 into 3 by 4 centimeter long and 2 into 1 by 2 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Clear? This is a word problem question. How can you write? Firstly, you will write the statement. Clear? And here, this is a rectangular sheet. Clear? Rectangular sheet of a paper, you will write length of rectangular sheet is equal to 15 into 3 by 4. 15 into 3 by 4 centimeter and 15 4 is 60 and 60 plus 3, 63 by 4. Clear? And 12 into 1 by 2 centimeter wide. Clear? Width of rectangular sheet equal to 12 into 1 by 2 centimeter. 12 to the 24, 24 plus 125 by 2 centimeter. Clear? And your question telling that find its perimeter. What is the formula perimeter of rectangular? Perimeter of rectangular is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B, mean 2 in bracket length plus breadth. You will write here perimeter of rectangular is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B, and 2, this is L and this is B. 63 by 4 plus 25 by 2. Clear? And take LCM. 2 and 4, LCM is 2. Clear? 63, 2 divided by 4, we get 2, and 2 multiplied by 25, we get 50. Clear, students? Clear? And this is a 63 plus 50, we get 113. 2 into 113 by 4. Clear? And 2 divided by 2. Clear? You will write 113 upon 2. Convert this fraction into mixed fraction. Clear? 2 5 ja 10, carry 1, 1 3 13, and 2 6 ja 12, carry 1. Clear, students? 2 6 are 56 into 1 by 2. Clear? Centimeter. Perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 56 into 1 by 2 centimeter. Clear, student? Look at here once time again. Firstly, you will write length of rectangular sheet is equal to 15 into 3 by 4. Width of rectangular sheet is equal to 12 into 1 by 2. Clear? And you will write perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B and put the value after that solve. Clear? And our third question number 3 is what should be added to 7 into 3 by 5 to get 80. Clear? Firstly, you will write here, let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. Clear? Added x plus 7 into 3 by 5 is equal to 80. Clear? X plus 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 3 38, 38 upon 5 is equal to 80. X is equal to, transport this number, this is a plus 38 upon 5, when you transfer plus convert into minus 18 minus 38 upon 5. Consider here 1 and take the LCM 5. 5. 1 divided by 5 we get 5 and 5 multiplied by 80, 90. 90 minus 38. Clear, students? 90 minus, clear, and 90 minus 38 is equal to 52 by 5. Clear? And 10 into 2 upon 5. Clear? 5 times the 50, 50 plus 2. Clear, student? X is equal to 52 upon x is equal to tan 2 upon 5. This is your answer. What should be added to 7 into 3 upon 5 to get 18? Our answer is the required number 10 into 2 upon 5. Clear? Now I am going to start next exercise. Student, see this exercise 2b. Find the product. Clear? In this exercise, we will discuss on how can find the product of any two or three fractions. Look at here. First question is a 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 11. This is the numerator and this is the denominator. Clear, student? You will always multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. But if any number cancel by numerator to denominator, first of thing you reduce. Clear? Here no one will cancel, that's why 3 7s are 21, 5 11 are 55. Clear? This is your answer. And second question is a students, firstly you will write 8 upon 15 into 20. Look at here, 20 divisible by 5 and 15 also divisible by 5. That's why firstly you reduce this number. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 4 ja 20. Clear? 8 4 ja 32 upon 3. Convert mixed fraction 3 and 2. Clear? And next question, 5 into 5 by 6 into 1 into 5 by 7. 5 6 ja 30, 30 plus 5 35 upon 6 into 7 1 ja 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 upon 7. Clear? Look at here, 6 2 ja 12 and 7 5 ja 35 and 5 2 ja 10. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Clear, student? Look at here, students. 1 by 3 of 24. First question. Second question is the 1 by 6 of an hour. And third question is the 9 by 20 of meter. Student, look at here. Of means just like a multiply. Clear? That's why you will write 1 by 3 of convert into multiply 24. 8 3 ja 3 8 ja 24. That's why your answer is 8. Clear? And look at here, 1 by 6 of an hour. Student, we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Clear? That's why we will write here 1 by 6 of convert into, and an hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes and 6 10 ja 60, and you will write here 60 minutes. This is your answer. Clear? And third question, 9 upon 20 of meter. 1 meter. Look at 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That's why you will write here 9 upon 20 into 100 centimeter. 20 5 ja 100 and you will write here 9 into 5 centimeter. 9 5 ja 45 centimeter. Clear students? Thank you.